Hello everyone, I'm Kristen Clyde Sardan from ESET English 1A, and today I'm thrilled to explore the fascinating world of patterns in modern mathematics with you. Patterns are all around us, in nature, architecture, and even in the clothes we wear. But have you ever stopped to think about why these patterns form or how they related to math? Let's uncover their secrets through real-world examples. In mathematics, a pattern is a repeated or predictable arrangement of numbers, shapes, colors, or objects. Patterns follow a specific rule or sequence that allows us to predict what comes next. Types of patterns and their explanation. Number 1. Pinwheel flower is an example of symmetry. Symmetry is when an object looks the same after being flipped, rotated, or reflected. The pinwheel flower exhibits rotational symmetry, meaning its petal looks identical when rotated around its center. Next is the spider web is an example of fractal. A fractal is a pattern that repeats at different scales. Spider webs are fractals because their structure follows self-similar patterns, making them both strong and efficient. Next is tendrils is an example of spiral. The spiral is a geometric growth pattern seen in nature. Tendrils of plants curl into spiral as they search for support, following mathematical sequences like the Fibonacci spiral. Next is a tabby cat is an example of stripes. Stripes are a form of linear pattern repeating at regular intervals. A tabby cat's fur has natural stripes, which are genetic markings that help with camouflage. Next is polka dots on a t-shirt. Is an example of spots pattern. Spots are a random or repetitive pattern commonly found in nature and design. A t-shirt with polka dots follows a spot pattern where evenly spaced or scattered dots create a visually appealing and structured design. Next is fencing is an example of tessellation. Tessellation is a repeating pattern of shape that fit perfectly together without gaps or overlaps. Fences, especially those with interlocking design, are a great example of tessellation in everyday life. In conclusion, patterns shape the world around us, from the designs in nature to the structures we build. Recognizing these patterns help us appreciate both the artistry and mathematics behind them. I hope you found this video insightful. I have a question. In what professions is mathematics commonly used and how does it help in those fields? One profession where math is essential is accounting. Accountants use mathematical skills such as arithmetic, algebra, and financial calculation to manage budgets, analyze financial data, and ensure accurate records of transactions. Math helps them calculate profits, expenses, and taxes, making it a crucial tool for financial decision making. Understanding the role of math in accounting can help us appreciate its importance in daily life. Let's continue to sharpen our math skills because they are essential in careers. That's all. Thank you for watching.